SP.
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 SP, the best content creator.
Welcome to day 3 of 75 hard challenge. It's almost 5 a.m. right now, and I just woke up. I gotta do my morning chores, and then I'm gonna go to gym. Today it's a leg day. Well, I'm here at the gym right now, and it's empty as usual. Today's a leg day, so I'm gonna be starting with stretching, and then I'm gonna do some leg press. So just finished my leg workout. It's past 6 a.m. right now in the morning. And yeah, I'm gonna go home, eat my breakfast, and then I need to do some media work for this video. Yeah, and then I'm gonna go do my work. So I'm gonna have a cup of milk, some eggs, 4 bread and peanut butter for breakfast. Well, I just finished my breakfast. I'm gonna go take a shower and then get ready for work. So just finished my second meal of the day, and I'm gonna go back to work, come back. It's kind of raining, so I'm kind of skeptical what second workout do I do today, because it's raining outside and the second workout has to be outside. So I might just do maybe abs workout in my backyard, or maybe do boxing. Well, the rain has finally stopped, and I thought that I would, I was gonna do abs workout, but since the rain was doing, I wasn't able to go outside. But now since the rain stopped, I might go for running instead of doing abs workout. So yeah, let's go run with me as my second workout. Well, I'm almost halfway through my running. I run 15 more minutes and then I'll be done. Yeah, so I just came home. I'm gonna cook dinner, take a shower, read my book, and that will be the end of the day. Well guys, it's past 10 p.m. right now, and it's almost the end of day 3. I did my 2 workouts, I drank a gallon of water, and I'll be posting the progress picture soon. And the only thing left, and I had 3 meals today, and the only thing that's left is to read this book. So yeah, I'm gonna read this book again. Well, just finished this book's reading. Thank you so much for watching till this end, and as always, I really appreciate you all. And this is going to be the end of day 3. Thank you.